Good evening. During our lectures of current affairs, many times we have discussed regarding international days. And one such day is World Mosquito Day. I repeat, World Mosquito Day. One possible question in the examination is that when World Mosquito Day is observed, and your answer should be August 20th. What is the significance of this? What are all the various diseases that are associated with the mosquitoes? All these things we are going to discuss now. Apart from this, we'll also be discussing regarding an order given by the Supreme Court to the government. We will also discuss regarding National Defense Academy, which is a very premier institution, and why it is there in the news. Let's try to understand all these things one after the other. Stay tuned. I am opening the document. Kindly have a look at this. Look at this. The first one, World Mosquito Day is observed every year on August 20th, May 12th, December 17th or March 8th. As I told you, answer is option A, that is August 20th. Very important one, because in the scenario of the growing mosquitoes, entire world is fighting against mosquitoes, right, including India. And nowadays there is so much of so many cases with respect to dengue fever, and the symptoms of corona and dengue, in some cases they are similar, and people are getting panicked, right? These things we'll see now. So answer is option A, that is August 20th. Now, August 20th marks the groundbreaking discovery of British doctor Sir Donald Rose. Sir Ronald Rose. Way back in 1897, Sir Ronald Rose had identified the link between the mosquitoes and malaria. The day, as the name suggests, intends to raise awareness regarding what all causes malaria and ways to prevent it. Very important one. Everybody knows that malaria occurs because of these mosquitoes. And apart from this, malaria, you got this West Nile, dengue, chikungunya, Zika, all are associated with mosquitoes. Kindly remember this. Next, we'll be moving ahead. Kindly have a look at this. The next one on the screen, another important one. The National Mission on Edible Oil. Very important one. The National Mission on Edible Oil was launched with the aim of covering oil palm in an additional area of 6.5 lakh hectares by, meaning by which of the following years we want to achieve this National Mission on Edible Oil. Important one, 23-24, 24-25, 25-26 or 26-27, and the correct answer is option B, 20-25 and 26. Very important one. Look at this. So with respect to cabinet, you know what is a cabinet? Approved the National Mission on Edible Oils, oil palm, with the financial outlay of 11,040 crores. This scheme will subsume the National Food Security Mission oil palm program, and it was launched in line with the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. Very important one, and this is going to be the target by 2025 and 2026. Very important one. Next, we'll be moving ahead. Kindly have a look at this. The next one. In which of the following places National Defense Academy is located? Every one of you aware of this answer, and your answer is option A, that is Pune, right? So, but why is this in the news? Have a look at this. Recently, the Supreme Court has allowed the women to appear for NDA exam, which is scheduled for September 5th, 2021. Right? Very important one. That is the reason why this is again there in the news. NDA is the Joint Defence Service Training Institution of Indian Armed Forces. In the academy, the cadets of three services, namely Indian Army, Air Force, and Navy, are trained together before they go on to respective service academy for pre-commission training. Clear? And is located in Pune. Kindly remember, this academy is the world's first tri-service academy. Another very important point. Right? So again we'll be moving ahead and have a look at this one. Again it is there in the news and most of you know the answer of this. Pegasus spyware is developed by Rafael Group, Dassault Group, or NSO Group, and your answer is option C, that is NSO Group. Look at this. So recently the Supreme Court bench headed by the Chief Justice of India, Justice N.V. Ramana, issued a formal notice to government because of the several petitions. Clear? So this is a matter of very very serious concern, and everyone is with the same voice that proper investigation has to be conducted into this. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Thank you so much. Take very good care.